Travel for Mortals here. They've got this. This is a vending machine cafe. He's got all these vending machines with all kinds of stuff. I'm gonna show it to you. Check it out. Ramen noodles, all kinds of ramen noodles. These are energy drinks. This thing spits out hamburgers. This one does hamburgers. This is like grilled cheese with ham. I mean, they got all kinds of stuff. It's really popular with the locals. This machine, that one's empty, but this one's got sandwiches and stuff. Here's I don't know, that looks like cat food. Ice cream machine. It's wild, they wild. All right, we're gonna give this ramen machine. Go ahead, put it in there. Yep. Hot ramen for $1.
That's miso and miso with different kanji. Which one?
I'm gonna be very honest. These noodles actually taste pretty good. Here's what Sophia's look like. They got some meat. It's 400 yen. What do you think, honey?
It's good.
They're pretty tasty.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, these are just as good as getting them from a stand-up noodle shop. So yeah, thumbs up. All right, I got some miso soup. $1 miso soup. Give this a try. It's not too bad. Tastes like miso you'd get at a sushi restaurant. All right, we're about to get some American popcorn. Best thing about it is the music, I think. Got some American popcorn. Woo! Look at that.
It's really hot.
It is really hot. We're gonna have to wait a little bit. Oh my goodness.
Burgers. Some burger. It feels really hot. Oh, it's in a cute little box. It's off the box. All wrapped up in paper.
Go ahead and open that up.
Just have a little miniature teriyaki burger or something.
Pretty good.